Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear children.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, sir, your beans room is red color.
Dear children, have you all planned how to what to perform for the Onam celebration?
Yes.
All planned. Aditya has planned. No, you have to. Today meeting is there, isn't that?
Yes.
Before that you plan something to do, either or a song or dance or mimicry or whatever you know.
Mimicry.
Whatever. No, just say
Ma'am, I will do
whatever you know. You can
Mimicry.
discuss with your teacher. Monact. Whatever. It should be related to Onam. Discuss with your teacher. Okay? Everybody should plan before the meeting. Okay?
Yes.
Everybody should
Onam
perform.
is now.
Not now. When your teacher will be conducting a meeting regarding this.
No, Onam is now.
Not now, not now. Only meeting is there today. Onam celebration will be on 27th.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, dear children, can we start our class?
Yes.
Dear children, last day I have given few homework questions. Have you all done? Done. Ascending order and descending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending and one descending order question was there. Have you all done?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody has any doubt regarding that? No. So, dear children, we are going to discuss workbook questions. So, I will be sending the answers through WhatsApp. And
Okay.
you have to check your answers whether it is correct or wrong. Okay?
We can also write.
Will you all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Will you all do that?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So, everybody, open your workbook, page number 18. Take page number 18. Okay?
Workbook.
Yes, workbook, page number 18.
Page number 80.
Yes, I'm going to mute you all and one by one we can discuss the question and answers. Now, Sachin Mohammed, please unmute. Okay. Dear, read the first question. First question.
The largest number among the following is
Dash.
7,200.
First you have to, but you have to read all the options. Read all the options.
300, 3,165, 169, 68, 7,204.
The correct answer is?
7,204.
Yes. For the first question, largest number. Except A and B, all other numbers have less number of digits, 2 digit, 2 and 3 digit. So, we can select these two numbers. From that, here it is, the first digit is 3, here it is 7. 7 is the largest, so 7,204 is the correct answer. And you can circle option D and you can write in the bracket. Vaiga, next question. Please unmute and read next question. Vaiga. Vaiga, please unmute. Vaiga, please unmute. Unmute. Touch on the audio symbol now.
Ma'am,
Oh, now it's okay. You can read. Second question. Mm.
the smallest number among the following is dash.
Mm. Options.
Option A, 3.
Mm.
Option B, 302.
Mm.
Option C, 30.
Mm.
Option D,
Mm.
320.
Yes. Which is the smallest in that, dear?
3.
Yes, very easy. Only 3 has 1 digit. All other has more number of digits. So the smallest number is 3. That it means option A. Okay. Thank you, dear. Now, dear children, please
Now can
take the
I
next
unmute?
page. Yeah. Vaiga, you can mute your audio now.
Okay.
Now, next page, page number 19. Okay. I want Rishi, please unmute and read. Unmute. Yes. Please unmute. Touch on the audio symbol. Touch the audio symbol, dear. Touch the audio symbol. Wait, Rishi. Yes. Rishi, now try to unmute. Yes. Okay. Rishi, will you read question number 3? Dear, will you read question number 3? Again muted. Wait, dear. Wait. Try to unmute once again. I'll come to you later then. Okay. Rishi, I'll come. Once more you try. I'll come to you later. I think you have some network issue. Next, Agnivesh, please unmute and read. Question number 3. Wait. Yes. Unmute. Agnivesh, unmute. Yes. Now, question number 3. Read.
Choose the correct symbol to complete the standard.
Complete the statement.
Complete statement. 346. 3046.
Yes, we have to complete the statement. So 346, 3046. How many digits first number has, dear? How many digits?
First
Agnivesh,
number 3 digits.
3 digits. Second number has how many digits?
4 digits.
4 digits. So what we can say, less than or greater than? Here only 3 digit. Here 4 digits are there. So 346 is less or greater?
Less.
Yes, less than. What is the symbol for less than? Option A or B or C or D? Huh? Agnivesh? What? Please unmute once again.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the symbol for less than? Option A or B or C or D?
A.
A. Closed mouth. Correct. Very good, Agnivesh. Thank you, Agnivesh. Now,
Welcome.
mute your audio, dear. Next, Malavika, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Malavika, will you read question number 4?
Yes. The greater of the following number is
Mm.
250, 3,610,
Mm.
300.
Mm-mm. Is it 300? Zero
No.
you don't want to consider because it is coming in front. So you don't want to consider. So how many digits are how many digits are there for that number now? 3 digits. So the place value will be starting from
100 place.
so what will be the number?
600.
600.
31.
Okay. Then
112.
yes. Which is the greatest number in this? Which is the greatest?
3,610.
Yes, 3,610 because that number is having 4 digits. All other numbers have only 3 digits. So 6,610, 610. Other Malavika, thank you. Please mute your audio.
Come, ma'am.
Now, next, I want who will? Ishan, please unmute. Ishan M. Deepak, please unmute. Ishan, please wait. I'll help you. Ishan, now unmute. Ishan, try to unmute now. Yes, you can read next question. Question number 5.
The smallest four-digit number is
Now, which is smallest 4-digit number? Without checking the option, will you read? Will you say answer?
1,000.
Sorry?
10,000.
1,000. Correct answer. Option B, 1,000. Very good. Yes. So, 5th question, option B. Here, option B. So, smallest 3-digit number will be what, dear children? Smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. Smallest 3-digit number? Muted. Ishan? Ishan, please unmute. Smallest 3-digit number will be what? Smallest 3-digit number? Sorry?
1,000.
That is smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number will be what? We have learned one pattern. Smallest 1-digit number is 1. Smallest 2-digit number is 10. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 4-digit number is 1,000. Okay. So smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now here it is asked smallest 4-digit number, it is 1,000. So option B, 1,000. Okay. Next. Thank you, dear. Ishan, you can mute your audio now. Now, Christina, please read question number 6. Yes. Read. Question number 6. Others, please mute your audio. Christina,
ഇതാണ്
Christina, please.
അതിന് മുമ്പുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ് തേർഡ്.
Christina, now please unmute. Christina, please unmute. Yes. Will you read? Can you hear me, Christina?
അതിന്റെ F6 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ബട്ടൺ ഉണ്ട്.
Can you hear me, Christina?
ആ F5 F6 ഉണ്ട്.
Christina, can you hear me? Please unmute and say. Christina, Christina, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sorry? I think she has some network issue. We can come to her later. Now, I will. Nihara, please unmute. Nihara. Christina, please wait. I will give you chance later. Nihara, wait. I will unmute you. Nihara, please unmute. Yes. Will you read?
Ma'am,
Sixth question. 145.
The greatest 4-digit number is 9,000.
Sorry, 9,000. Is it 9,000 here? Will you read the options? All the options? Dear, will you read all the options? Nihara? Nihara, can you hear me? Yes. Option A?
Yes.
Option A is the correct answer. 9,999. Dear children, that also as a pattern we have learned. Greatest 1-digit number is 9, 2-digit number is 99, 3-digit number is 999. So 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay. So the answer is, correct answer is option A. You can write in the bracket option A. Okay, thank you. Now, you can mute your audio, Nihara. Next, Dhara, please unmute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you read question number 7?
The smallest number among 3,000
3,150. Then.
5,130.
Then. Next number.
5,031.
5,013, 5,031. Okay. Now, dear children, these all numbers are how many digits?
5,130.
How many digits, dear?
5,000.
How many? 4 digits.
4 digits.
So what do you have to do? We have to check the
First digit.
first digit, 1,000 place digit. Here, these are the 1,000 place digit. In that, here 3, 5, 5, 5. So which is the least one, smallest one?
3.
3. So which will be the smallest number in this?
3,150.
150. Correct answer. Correct answer. Thank you, dear. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Preet, please unmute. Preet Ramesh, please unmute. Preet, please unmute. Yes. Will you read question number 8? Will, please be louder.
Ma'am, I can say 100.
Others, please keep quiet. Let Preet read. Hmm. The greatest. Hmm. Sorry. Question number 8. The greatest. Preet. Can you hear me, Preet? Can you hear me, Preet? Preet, can you hear me? Wait dear, I'll come to you later. Now Zara Sarjan, please unmute. Preet, I can't hear your sound, that's why. Please unmute. Wait dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you read next question number? I won't say question number, you have to. Question number 8.
The greatest number
Hmm. Hmm. The greatest number among
among
hmm.
3,150,
Hmm.
5,130,
No, it's 5013.
5,000,
Hmm. Next number 5113. And after that, next number 5031. Zara, can you hear me? Dear, can you hear me? Sarah Sarjan, can you hear me?
Now I can say
Let Sarah say yes. Why you muted here? Again. Unmute. Sarah, please unmute. Wait. Sarah, please wait. Please unmute, Sarah. Yes.
ma'am, I have network problem.
Sorry? Sarah?
Yes, ma'am, I have network problem.
Oh, that's why you can't. Can you give the answer? Here, the same set of numbers are given for the second question also. Here, this is the least number.
5,130.
Yes, correct answer. This one we have written as a least number. And now we have to compare these three numbers. In that, all the numbers have the first digit as 5. So we have to check the 100 place digit. 1000 place digit is same. So we have to check the 100 place digit. Here it is 1, here it is 0, 0. So 1 is the greatest. So 5130 is the greatest. Thank you, Sarah. Next, I want Ivana, please unmute.
Yes,
Dear, next question. Question number 9.
I have to hear you.
Question number 9. Ivana.
Fill in the blanks.
The symbol is less than.
Less than or smaller than.
Less than or greater than.
Greater than.
Less than, greater than or equal to symbol.
6,512.
Then.
5,261.
Yes. So, it will be less than or greater than. Here both number is having 4 digits, isn't it?
Yes.
So, first digit here it is 6, here it is 5.
Ma'am, that I can tell.
Sarah, please mute your audio now. Let others answer. Okay? You already get one chance, no? Okay, dear. Now, 6 is greater than or less than, dear?
Greater than.
Yes. So, 6,512 is greater than 5,261. So which symbol I want to use? First symbol or second symbol? First or second one? Which one?
Second.
Second symbol, open mouth. Okay. Open mouth we have to use. So this will be like this. Okay. Next, I want Aishwarya, please unmute. Thank you, dear. Now you can mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am.
Aishwarya. Will you read next question? Question number 10. Your voice is not clear to me. Little more louder. Wait. Yes. Now you try to read. Unmute and read. Unmute and read. Yes. Read.
Which is the greater form of the number 5,255?
And
5,652.
yes, which is the greater among this? Both numbers having 4 digits. So, which one will be greater?
5,652.
Correct. Yes. Dear children, here both numbers having first digit as 5. So, we have to check the second digit. Here it is 2. 100 place digit is 2. Here the 100 place digit is 6. 6 is greater. So, you can write 5,652. Thank you, dear. Next, I want... Evelyn, please unmute. Unmute, yes. Read the next question. Question number 11.
Complete the number.
Compare the numbers. Correct. Compare the numbers.
Compare the numbers using the symbol more and
Less than.
less than, more than, or equal. 4,612, 4,626.
Yes. So which symbol?
Greater.
Think once more. You think both numbers having 4 digits.
Yes.
Here first 2 digits are same. Sorry.
Smaller.
What here?
Smaller.
Smaller. Smaller than. Which symbol I have to use? First one or second one? This one or this one?
Second one. First one.
Yes. Less than. Closed mouth. So, first one. Okay. Thank you, dear. Correct it is. Now, Bhumi, please unmute.
Ma'am, please.
Bhumi, yes. Read the question.
Ma'am.
Will you read?
Which is the greater number? Ma'am?
Others, wait. Bhumi, please wait. Please wait.
Ma'am, please don't mute.
Now, Bhumi, unmute and read. Bhumi, start reading. Louder, please. Which is the? Yes, which is the greater? 6,392 and 6,398. Huh? Then which is the greater one, Bhumi? First one or second one?
1,398.
Yes, very good. Dear children, till here both number are same. Here 2, here 8. Here 8 is greater. So 6,000, 6,398. That is the greater number. Thank you, Bhumi. Dear children, I will be sending the same answers through WhatsApp, so you can cross-check once again your answers. And
Okay, ma'am.
I know many will be having network issue. That's why they couldn't. Christina and
Masudi
Pete,
didn't came.
they couldn't read. Next day, I will give you a chance. Okay.
Masudi didn't came in this class.
So, thank you, my dear children.
Ma'am, Masudi didn't come in this class.
So, thank you. See you next day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.